Okay. I've got this. Hi, I'm Dr. Janelle from Amara, and today I'm going to discuss one of people's biggest fears when it comes to lip filler treatment. Will my lips look done? We've all seen the celebrity pictures on magazines and on social media. The lips are one of the most over-treated areas in facial aesthetics. Bigger is not always better. When it comes to treating the lips with dermal filler, there is a sweet spot that involves volume, balance, and definition. These three things are what I can work with. And achieving the correct mix between those three is really what we're after. Of course, all the while, we need to remain inside the bounds of what's safe. With a bit of planning and care, this is readily achievable and it'll avoid the overdone look. The most important part of a lip filler treatment is your consultation. So here I'll discuss your goals with you and I'll draw up a treatment plan to help you achieve a natural result. We only use FDA-approved fillers from the Juvederm Vicross range. So you can rest assured that you're getting the highest quality product. High quality products, they also ensure that you're getting a high quality result that's going to last, minus the lumps and bumps that can sometimes occur when you have poorer quality products. At Amara, a natural result is always part of every treatment that we perform. In the right hands, there is no reason for your lips to look overdone, only better. If you've any more questions or concerns, please book in for a consultation or visit amara.ie.